Hello guys, so this is part 3 of my Blender FPS tutorial. Thank you guys. I have 6 subscribers now and quite a lot of views for my previous videos. I just want to say thank you about those. Excuse me, I just have a cough right now. But that's how it kind of stopped me from making my videos, because to entertain all the people who have already viewed me. I'm sorry if you guys hear the fans in the background. I gotta point this away 1 second. Make that move around. So yeah, let's get started. What we have already done is make the player move, some nice lighting and some texturing. So, we're gonna work on him firing today. So right now, we're not gonna model the gun in this video. We'll model the gun in the next video. So let's just do that. Let's get a box and then go over to your number keypad and click the slash or the divide symbol. Go into edit mode. Click delete on your number pad. Move around. Don't click the word delete next to your number pad above your arrow keys. Click the period. Yeah. So we're gonna click Y 4. Then take it and do 0.5. And then do Y 2 and then 4 Y2. So you do Y2 twice and then click the slash on your number pad. Take this, move it down, take it 0.5 or put it in half. Go to your camera, zoom out from your camera, move this up, move to the side. Now XY.5. Then you would put it forward a little bit. Think like that. Up, and then it's a little bit far from the camera, so we're just gonna move it this way, move it this way, and yes. Actually, we would have it on the right side, because if you want your guy right-handed or left-handed, because let's just say we're gonna model a pistol of it's gonna be a low poly pistol. So it's a very fast game. Unless you're a professional modeler, if you already have a gun, you can put your model right here. I don't have a pre-made model. So now you're going to click on the camera, Shift S, and then click cursor to selected. And then over here, this is in version 2.70 or 7. Go to the website at www.blender.com if you need this, which it has it over here. So it has the ad over here. So you go to create. You go down and you go to other, and then you click empty. Take the empty, do point. Actually, you don't really need to change any size of the empty. You put it out just a bit, like right in front, the middle of your screen. And then, excuse me, I just gotta, yeah, so you put it out there, and now, click on the gun, and then click on your camera. Get a minute. Yeah, camera. And then gonna do Control P, which you would parent them. So this will not be. You cannot see that if you're looking at it, which is very helpful. Which is okay, but it would be later we will add a crosshair, maybe in this video if we have enough room. So let's just so let's go down here, or click 2 on your, not on your number pad, but just up at the top. Yeah. So Control S, cursor to center, and then you would put UV sphere. Control dot 5. No, I mean Shift. No, just S dot 5. Shift F dot 5, or just S dot 5. I don't know. It's S, and then S dot 5. And this should be a bullet. Actually, now just go back. Well, you should be in edit mode doing this, and you just make it really small. Not so small that you can't see it. No, that would be helpful. You can make it the shape of a bullet. It doesn't really matter because you won't really be seeing it. But now you're gonna name this bullet. You're gonna add a color to it. This is a way. If you add a color to it, then you can say well, if you add a material actually to it, then you can it's later going to be used for the enemy when the bullet hits the enemy. So let's just call the material bullet, and we're going to make it. You can make it any color you want. I like to make it yellow, because I think of a bullet as a gold kind of bullet. There's silver bullets as well, but you can make it gray if you want. Maybe I should just make it any color you think a bullet would look like, or anything. I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna do gray. Now you want to go back to here, and you want to click on the empty. We want to rename that bullet shooter. And then you want to go click up here, change the screen layout to game logic, and then you would want to do mouse, left button, and connect those two. And then you would want to add over by the last one, edit object, add object. You want to add the bullet, connect those two. Then you would put the y-axis up to what you want. I'm gonna do 1000. Then do local. Now, if you close all that up, go to 3D mode. I think this should work. You go in 3D mode. You want to put that on texturing, so then the textures and stuff. Then, when you start, you can fire. Oh, wait! I forgot one more thing. You want to make it so the bullet. You want to go over to the physics of it and make it rigid body. So then it goes, and it has some physics to it. For example, our player, to show you, he has characters, so he's the character physics. So that's very useful, very useful. So now we're gonna go name the gun, because it's easy to name things. So you, like up here, it's good. It helps up here if you're looking for something to hide something up here. So I'm just gonna close that back up. I'm gonna actually do this because I don't really use it. I don't know if you guys use it, but I don't. So okay, so go click on the empty, then do Control S, and do cursor to selected, and then you would want to add a plane. We're gonna make a crosshair, and then go into edit mode, click the slash on your number pad, RX90, and then you'd want to do S.1, S.1. Now you want to get the vertices on the right side and do EX.1. Wait, 0.01. Same for the other side. EX minus 0.01. Then you want to take the two top vertices, E, Z, 0.01. Then the bottom, E, EX, Y, Z, sorry, minus 0.01. Now, if you go click the slash, then go back into edit mode with that S2. Actually, not S2. You just want to take that and parent it to the camera. So when you start, that's exactly what you're gonna shoot. But the thing is, you want to make the plane no collision, because the bullets, anything, can collide into the plane, and you don't want that to happen. So when we start, see? Or, actually, you can move that. Let's move that way up so nothing gets in the way. So you're gonna size it down in edit mode to 0.1. See? It's like exact size that was before. So it looks exactly the same, nothing. So when you look around, nothing collides with it. Oh, and you also want to add a material to it. I'm gonna call this, just call this hub. And you want it shadeless. Shadeless material, you can make it red or whatever. But I'm gonna make it white for now, because that's what we're focusing on right now. It doesn't really matter with color right now, but we still want a nice smooth game, so you can look around nicely and stuff. So this was something for shooting and stuff. Thank you guys for watching part 3. I was kind of out of it today. Wasn't really I'm sorry if I wasn't focusing on this. I was kind of focusing on breathing. No, I can breathe perfectly fine. It's just I got some poison ivy and stuff. I recently went camping, so hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys all later. Peace.